you guys, what's up? My name is Zoe and today's video is gonna be all about Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed this video and happy Valentine to you and your loved ones. Today I used the water primer and the Tatcha silk canvas together. I sprayed the Smashbox primer all over my face, tap it in a bit, and then apply the Tatcha one around my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin as usual. Then I used the Marc Jacobs Dewdrop in the shade Do You to apply on the high points of my face. This is just the first step to achieve that extra glow. Then I used the Becca Brightening Under Eye to help with my dark circles. I used this under my foundation because the last time I used it on top of foundation, it sit kind of weird on my face, so. For foundation, I use my Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Foundation in the shade 5. I use 2 pumps. I apply it directly onto my face and use the Juno & Co sponge to blend everything out. For concealer, I have the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer and I'm in the shade Wheat. I apply it under my eyes, on my forehead, sides of my mouth, because I have some discolorations there. Blend, blend, blend. It's blush time, and I have here the Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Storm. It's my current favorite. I'm in love with this stuff. Can't get enough of it. It blends like a dream. Then I used my sponge to blend the edges. For powder, I have my all-time favorite Too Faced Peach Perfect. I apply on my under eye first, and then the rest on my face. Next up is bronzer. I've been using this one for years, but I still haven't hit pan. Insane. Yep, I applied like tons of bronzer. Under the neck too. So I bought this brush 5 years ago in Sephora, but now I'm gonna find it on the website. So feel free to use any contour brush you like. I do a little nose contour too, nothing much. Just a bit. For highlight, Anastasia Beverly Hills X Ambresi highlight is my thing. This is the only highlight that I use. So stunning. Lock everything in with Skin Geneva's setting spray. Then I reapply my highlighter so that you can see me from the outer space. Time for brows. I use the Benefit Brow Pomade. This stuff is amazing. Using the spoolie to brush my brows first, then going in with a brow. Let's move on to the eyes. First, Laura Mercier under the eyes to prevent any fallout. I'm using the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. First, using the shade Base, I'm gonna dust it all over my lid to set. This palette has some real pretty pink shades in here. I think that's so appropriate for a Valentine's Day. Then going in with Love on a more fluffy brush. I'm gonna apply it everywhere because I want like a wash of this color on the lid. Keep applying it till you get the color payoff that you desire. You can use your finger to intensify the pigmentation. Next, I'm using Passion and put it real close to the lash line to get me more definition. ColourPop Frog Super Shock Shadow is one of the most beautiful topper that I've ever used. Using my finger and applying it all over my lids. This eye makeup is so simple, anyone can do it. A little liquid liner by Kat Von D. Jesus Christ, I hate this step. So very uncomfortable. Wiping off those baking powder. My dark circles are really intense. I need extra help. That's why I use Base, the first shade that we apply onto the lid. If you feel like your concealer doesn't do anything, this would help. Eyeshadow is more pigmented than setting powder, so this will help brighten up your under eyes. If you have the brightening powder, then use it. I don't have one handy, so this is what I use. Moving on to the lower lash line, super easy. Using Volatile, I'm gonna smudge it on the outer part. That's the only shade that we're using. Yep, that's it. To open up your eyes and create the sweet look, I use white liner. Next up, curling your lashes and apply a light coat of mascara. Today I'm using House of Lashes lashes and the style Boudoir Light. I love this style. It gives enough drama to the eye and I feel like it opens up my eyes a little bit. Last up, I have the Burberry Velvet Lip in the shade Dark Rosewood. I love this formula so much. It goes on so smooth and feel really comfortable on the lips. So this is my first Valentine's Day makeup look for them sweet, innocent girls. The second look is for those who want to look a little more sexy and a little more oomph. In this look, I'm gonna use this palette to add some more drama to my eyes. Using Raising, I'm applying it into my crease. Deepening your eyes, give it some more definition. Keep applying and blending. Then to make the eyes even more inviting, I'm using Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in the shade Distortion. I put it right in the lower lash line, in the corner of my eyes. And hide my pigmented, ugly lip color. with some foundation left on the sponge. I'm going in with ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Frick and Frack. This is my go-to color when I was on vacation in LA last month, so stay tuned for the travel vlog. Then top it off with M Cosmetics True Gloss Aurora Pink. Then your makeup is complete. Again, it's more like a sultry, sexy look. Which one is your favorite? Let me know by comment down below, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I see you soon. Thank you so much.